guys, it's Aurora. Today, I'm gonna show you what I got on Black Friday. Black Friday is a huge event in America. It happens usually in November, like before Christmas. It's a day that you can get stuff really cheap compared to other days. Like people who are trying to buy something like a TV or a huge thing that will cost a lot will wait until Black Friday and then purchase it. I got a lot of stuff. It's mostly presents for my family or my friends, and some of them I'm really satisfied purchasing it, so let me show you one by one. The first store that I visited was Yankee Candle. I purchased a lot here. My room smells so nice now because all of the scent coming out from the candle is filling my room. I got Tropical Breeze, Lilac Blossoms, Pink Cherry and Vanilla, Wild Orchid. These are the two same ones that I got. I didn't like them especially, but I just bought them. Vanilla Cupcake, Sage and Citrus, Bayside Cedar, Iced Berry Lemonade, Pink Sands, and Macintosh. So these are all of the Yankee candles that I got. The next thing that I got was stuff from Banana Republic. The first one that I got was this shirt for men. I think it will suit my dad well. This is the next thing that I got. It's a sweatshirt and it's for my aunt who lives in Korea. What I really like about this clothing is that the material is really soft and smooth, and I think it will match pretty any clothing. You can just wear it daily. The next thing I got was some baby clothes from Gap. This is what I got. It's so cute, right? It has this ice cream shape on the clothes and it's bright yellow, so I think it will be really pretty on the baby. So I bought this. The next shop that I went was Ross. The first thing that I got was this really beautiful dress. Color is kind of brown and black and it looks like almost olive green. The dress is kind of short for me actually, but I really like it. I might wear it with some short black pants. The next thing that I got is this navy dress. It has this little roses. Cloth is kind of velvety, so that's a thing that I really like too. I didn't know it was this long, but yeah, it's pretty long. And the front side of the dress and the back side of the dress has a different length. When you wear it, it gives you this mermaid line, and it is a very tight fitting dress, but I really like it. This one is a cardigan and then a top set that I got. I love these little butterflies on the top. I really like the point. What's a little sad is that I didn't look at the size properly, so it's quite big for me, but I think the design is really pretty. I think I wear it with jeans or a skirt. It's a mini bag from the brand DKNY. What I really liked about this is that although it's a small bag, there's a huge amount of space that you can put stuff in. My phone is really huge, but it will fit in this bag, so I really like the fact that it fits. I really needed a bag that I could wear for daily shopping or just hanging out with my friends, so I bought this bag. This bag is from Tory Burch. This one is actually the first one that I got. Now I'm gonna unbox it. Wow. It's so pretty. It's that jiggy. And then inside there's a bag. And we're about to see it. Ta-da! Can you see this? This looks so pretty. Oh my gosh. Can you see this? Wonderful yellow bag. Inside there's these straps. You open it up. It just looks really simple inside. On both sides, like this. And on this side, you can keep your stuff. Also, there are technically 3 spaces that you can put your stuff in. I really like the design of it. I think it's so pretty. It was kind of expensive, but I think it's really worth it. So I'm really happy. for this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to click the alarm button to get any notifications on the future. You can leave in the comments down below what other videos you want to watch. Yeah, I think that's it. Bye. See ya.